you so much for tuning in. I am tuning in here with you on Wealth and Wellness. Of course, hopefully you hear me well today. I've got my mic on. Had some fun with a couple other lives yesterday it was when I was in transit. And I actually have legit mics, but you know, sometimes it's like you don't know what's working when or what kind of interference is coming in from different areas. So this is my Cleanse and Restore wrap. I actually took down some notes today for you. I'm checking in to show you the body after the 30-day cleanse. So this is my first day after the cleanse. And of course, what was one of the first things I did? Well, yes, the street is right there and the beach is right there. So it can be loud. Hopefully this mic is doing its thing. I actually ended up getting a decaf coffee when I went down to this coffee shop that's been there for years. They're still in business here. You know, people are wearing their masks here, not a lot. Like if they're out on the street, you won't really see them with a mask on, but at the shops and things, they do have the masks on. So, and I forget what's the name of the place called. It's called Arab the Bean or something like that. So, but anyway, this is the Cleanse and Restore check-in. So for me, I did give up the decaffeinated coffee. I don't drink caffeinated coffee anyway during the 30-day cleanse. And I did that because when I did my 2018 6-week wellness exercise and all this other stuff, they said no caffeine, no coffee during that time. And so I just figured I would follow that too, along with the doTerra 30-day cleanse and restore. And again, like I said, I actually took notes this time so I could stay on track and seamless and just get this live done as soon as possible. And also because I'm teaching a going live class webinar next Saturday, the 20th, on my other platform, Divorce Girlfriend's Guide. So I really wanted to focus in on, you know, having a live and being clear and how it's important to have a script when you're first starting out doing a live, because a lot of times I'll do like off the top of my head, keywords and like stream of consciousness stuff. Thank you. So I want to also weigh in with you on the doTerra oils themselves. It is part of a lifestyle choice. I am almost 1 year in using the products after my girlfriend Cheryl actually, hey sis, I think you might be watching. I see something that just got posted, I don't know. She had gone to Kenya. You guys probably heard the story already. She went to Kenya in November of 2019. She came back and I was like, Cheryl, what are you going to Kenya for? Well, that's because doTerra sources many of its organically grown co-impacting farming agreement plants in the Kenya area, like pink pepper, fabulous, good for the tatas. Ask me about it. Mints and frankincense, and there's quite a few good ones that are sourced in the Kenya area. So she had done that in November, got me on board sampling some of the products, and I said, okay, I'll start with a small kit. Small kit actually starts at about $160 US, and you get 10 different oils, including the frankincense, including the peppermint and tea tree and all sorts of stuff. Bikers going by, I don't know if you hear me. Real time, real live, it's fun. And that one had to be extra rowdy, right? That one really had to go the extra mile right there. So oils today, what I use. All right, I have a diffuser. If you haven't seen it before, it's a little device. You put water in it, you add oil to it, and it puts aroma into the room naturally without a burning of a carcinogen like a candle might. So on guard, because I am visiting a condominium and I like to cleanse the air, so I use On Guard in the diffuser today. I know my internet connection is unstable. I'm not surprised. I have to say my internet is not that great, and I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi here in my condo. I don't trust it. Anyway, so I use Rose on my face with my face moisturizer, which has SPF 50 sunscreen. I've talked to you all about that before. I use some tea tree in my hair products today. Moist, moist, moist. It is not, it's got a certain level of, I don't want to say humidity, but there's more moisture in the air here right now in Florida. So my hair is loving me right now. It's loving me. Slim and Sassy. Slim and Sassy. Oh man, I meant to bring that out here. I've got that in my water bottle. Slim and Sassy's got, we've had some fun with the Slim and Sassy the last couple of days. Slim and Sassy actually has cinnamon oil, grapefruit lemon, peppermint, and what, ginger. I think it's those 5. So that's one of the products in the oil line, is a blend called Slim and Sassy. You can add that to water. During the cleanse, it recommends that you added lemon to your water throughout the day. So I had some of that Slim and Sassy today. Body mist, fabulous. I got to show you this one, especially for those ladies who are looking into oils in the bedroom. This one I got because the oil blend in here is beautiful, and from the time that I got beautiful the first time, I really, really liked it. And so I like the oil itself, which comes like, well, this is a version I had, a touch version. So this is actually the second touch bottle of beautiful I got. And then when I found out that the hydrating body mist in the spa collection that doTerra has the beautiful one, I was like, oh, I have to have that. So this is my second bottle of this, and actually it's kind of getting low. And I like that for elbow areas. I use this on the bottom of my feet too, because of the properties that beautiful has. It helps support me in some health issues that I have. I think I mentioned it before. I do suffer from sometimes from nerve damage, so it helps me to put the beautiful on the bottom of my feet. So beautiful, love that. So that's another oil I put on today. And wow, and then that's it. Let's go back around to the Cleanse and Restore wrap, right? So we had the GX Assist for 10 days. That's supposed to be the gastrointestinal detoxification. And that's after you first start the first 10 days. The second 10 days, you do that. And I know somebody in our group who must be finishing up the GX Assist, because I think today is her day 20, if I'm not mistaken. Hi. And Terrazyme. I took Terrazyme this time because I did the cleanse last year in May of 2020, and I didn't have access to the Terrazyme. Motorcycles. I don't know if you're hearing this. The Terrazyme it's out of stock quite a lot, because a lot of our buyers really like to have that Terrazyme all the time, I guess. So, but this go around for this cleanse that I did starting on January 13th, on the motorcycle, I was able to have the Terrazyme. So it's kind of, the Terrazyme serves as kind of like a prebiotic, and then during your 21st day through the 30th, you reincorporate the probiotic. I realized this time, yes, I needed to drink more water. Still don't know if I was as disciplined as I would have liked to have been in drinking the more water, but I'm a work in progress. I was making the effort. I got my water bottle, I got my oil, and I'm doing it. And I just have to be mindful of that. And it's okay to bring water to the bed, to like have it at your bedside so you're drinking water through the night when you wake up. I think that's a smart thing to be conscientious of too. So the cleanse this time was a bit different than my cleanse before, because this is the second time I'm doing the cleanse. I felt like the first time I did the cleanse, my body had never experienced that. I feel like my body really did internally go through a transformation, like I could feel it physically. But this time it was not as significant because I had already done the cleanse. I've been living a relatively clean dietary lifestyle since May of 2020. So I didn't have the same, I think, reaction this time to it, but still, I'm glad I did it. It really encouraged me to have healthy food eating habits, and also my friends who ate with me, which was totally cool to see that happening too. I felt like this time, between the Terrazyme maybe and the GX Assist, I got some bloating when I first started doing the GX Assist that I don't recall having the first time. So, excuse me. So that did make me a little uncomfortable for maybe 1 or 2 days. And I was like, And that's when I was thinking maybe I should be drinking more water. Maybe I would have been better at flushing at that time. So, it's good to know the good and the negative of both things. It's not just like, oh, it's fabulous, blah, 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 right? So that was my take on it. Everybody's different. I missed my probiotic because for 20 days or almost 20 days, I was off of my probiotic, and I had been consistently using the probiotic since May of 2020. If you look back, I have a video that shows when I was using the how you use the probiotic, and I used the PB Assist Junior, the Pixie Stick version. You can go back and watch that video and have fun watching it, make fun of me and all that good stuff. And gee, what are my takeaways? Oh boy. Well, some of my takeaways are, this one, supplement case right here. I have a supplement case. I got this one at our convention in September, which was virtual, but they still sent you the convention items. So I got an awesome backpack that actually I was able to travel with as one of my carry-on items. But I also got this, and when I got it at convention, I was like, yeah, I'm not really going to need that because I do vitamin C and I do vitamin D at home, and I do that at the beginning of the day, blah, 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 blah. But because I was doing the cleanse, many of the items that you take 3 times a day. So morning, noon, and evening. Not all of them, but through the regimen, you'll see that it's kind of set up that way that you're going to do morning, noon, and evening. So one of my takeaways was it's great. It is great to have a nice supplement case. I like that this one is small. I've seen some bigger ones, but I feel like I could fit a decent amount of stuff in here. And why do I have this with me while I'm in Florida? Why did I take it from my home? Well, because I had to finish the final day, because my final day was yesterday. So I had to finish off my Terrazyme, my DDR Prime, and my probiotics doesn't go in here because I had the big system. So those are items I had to finish off yesterday. And as I'm traveling, I actually put my vitamin D's in here. Although my girlfriends at tea time last week, they were like, oh, you should get this one pill. You take this one pill once a week, and it's like 78 cents or something like that. So I do need to check into that because I have these little ones that I think you're supposed to take 2 of these a day. So I threw those in there. I've still got some DDR Prime and some Terrazyme in here. And then as part of the cleanse and restore, I do like the DDR Prime. That's your cellular complex. It's supposed to help support healthy cellular growth. Again, all these things here are natural. You can look at one of my prior videos, or you can consult with me, and I'll tell you what's in these. Like things like ginger and peppermints and stuff like that. And then I have the lifelong vitality in here. Apparently, I learned from Tammy that I'm only taking 1/4 of the dose. So to my person who's also doing the challenge right now, if you're still only taking 1 a day, we are both actually only taking 1/4 dose of what's recommended. So it's supposed to be 4 of those in each bottle. If you did the bottle version, you may have done the bottle version, I think so. There's a pack version where you get a full pack of your dosages, but then there's the bottles where you can just take the individual. So I did the bottles. So in terms of the LLV, I have that in here because I do want to continue that probably at the 1 a day, especially while I'm away right now. I definitely want my wellness to be at its highest it can be because I'm in a different region right now. And so I figured it was best that I continue with the LLV. I have plenty because I actually got the protein, fiber, and greens pack and daily habits pack, which came with a set of LLV. So that was while I was doing the 30-day challenge, I was able to actually get a bottle of each of the lifelong vitality items. And each bottle, if you get it the bottle version, that comes with 120 of these individuals in the bottles. So I had the LLV with me on my trip. I still have plenty more left. If I decide I want to continue taking that when I get back home, I'm cool with that. I really don't have any issues taking supplements. I have a technique I've talked to you guys about before. I'll just mention it quickly again here. After the bus finishes going by. That when you put the pill in your mouth, hold your tongue to the roof of